I let artificial intelligence run my entire YouTube channel for 7 days. It chose the topics, wrote the scripts, generated the voice, and even edited the videos. No human help, no freelancers, just pure automation. Sounds impossible? It actually worked, and the results shocked me. This isn't one of those fake AI experiments. I wanted to know if AI could really manage a YouTube channel from start to finish without me lifting a finger. So I gave it full control from ideas to production to publishing. In this video, I'll show you exactly what happened, the tools I used, the results I got, and what I changed, and if I had to do it again. And the experiment started with ChatGPT Plus. I gave it one simple command like, you are now the CEO of my YouTube channel. Create a full content plan, like for 1 week. Within minutes, it created 2 full video scripts, 4 shorts, and even thumbnail concepts. It gave me keywords, SEO ideas, and the exact upload schedule, all automated. That was the first moment I realized maybe AI doesn't just assist, it leads. Once the ideas were ready, I moved to ElevenLabs, my main voice AI. I use the Ken voice because it sounds calm, confident, and human. Each script turned into a perfect narration, no background noise, no mistakes, no emotion lost. Then I dropped those voice files into Pictory. In less than 2 hours, I had complete HD videos with visuals, captions, transitions, and background music, 100% automated production from text to finished video, all without touching a camera. But I didn't stop there. I went back to ChatGPT and asked it to write my YouTube titles, tags, and descriptions, optimized for click-through rate. It even generated the hashtags and upload times for the US audience. I uploaded everything to YouTube Studio, scheduled the videos, and then I stepped back. For the next 7 days, the channel was on autopilot. After 1 week, I checked the analytics. Views had tripled compared to my manual uploads. Average watch time increased by 47%. The click-through rate jumped from 5 to almost 9%, and something unexpected happened. YouTube started recommending AI Raptor in the related videos section for the first time. That's when I realized I didn't just make content faster, it made it smarter. But here's the deeper truth. AI didn't replace me, or it forced me to think like a strategist. When you automate the tasks that take hours, you free your mind for what really matters, finding ideas, analyzing data, and building systems that scale. That's the real advantage. AI gives you leverage. It multiplies your time and your output. If you're not using it, you're already behind. I also learned something about discipline. Even with all this technology, you still need consistency. The AI can write edits, posts, but it can't show up for you. That's your job. And once you mix consistency, some with automation, you become unstoppable. Most people underestimate what these tools can do. They keep scrolling, watching tutorials instead of testing. And I learned that even if AI makes a few mistakes, then the speed, creativity, and freedom it gives you, things are unbeatable. The goal isn't to replace yourself. The goal is to multiply yourself to create 5 times more in half the time. So here's the plan. Next week, I'm taking this challenge to the next level. I'll let AI choose a profitable niche, and launch a brand new channel from zero. We'll track every view, every click and every dollar. Subscribe now if you want to see how far automation can really go. No hype, no excuses, just results. This is AI Raptor.